How to connect Notion with ChatGPT. In this video, I will guide you step by step to integrate Notion and ChatGPT. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to https://platform.openai.com and log into your ChatGPT or OpenAI account. From the dashboard, generate a new API key under the API keys section. Copy and save it securely. Step 2. Open your Notion account and decide which page or database you want ChatGPT to access. You will need the page ID, which you can get from the URL. And then step 3, use a third-party integration tool like Zapier or N8N to bridge Notion and ChatGPT. So in this example, we will use N8N. Step 4, inside N8N, create a workflow. Add a Notion node and authenticate your Notion account using the integration token. And then configure it to fetch your desired data. Step 5, add an HTTP request node to send the Notion data to ChatGPT's API endpoint. Insert the API key and then select Post and format the body using the Notion content. Step 6. Test your workflow to ensure ChatGPT receives the data and responds correctly. And then you can optionally set up a return to Notion or another app. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.